Hello and welcome back to the Code Shop channel. In today's video, we're diving into production cost in Odoo 19, how it's calculated, and how you can track it accurately. Now, this is a really important topic because your production cost directly affects your profitability. If your costs aren't accurate, your sales price won't be either. And that's why businesses can start losing money without even realizing it. So let's jump into Odoo and see how this works in action. Before we configure anything, let's quickly understand what actually makes up production costs in Odoo. When you create a manufacturing order, the total cost isn't just a single number. It's built from a few key elements working together. First, we have the cost of components, which includes all the raw materials used in production. Then we have operation costs, which covers things like machine usage or overhead. And finally, we have labor cost, which is based on employee hourly rates. Odoo automatically combines all of these. So once everything is configured properly, you get a very accurate cost per product. Now let's start with labor cost. To include labor in your production cost, go to the Employees app, open an employee card, and under the Settings tab, you'll find the hourly cost field. This value is used during manufacturing to calculate how much labor contributes to each production order. One thing to keep in mind is that this hourly cost is set manually. It doesn't automatically calculate from the employee's salary. So it's important to make sure this number is accurate. From here, let's move over to the manufacturing app and take a look at the product configuration. If we open our manufactured product, one of the most important fields here is the product category, because this is where we define the costing method. In most manufacturing cases, you'll want to use either average cost or first in, first out, since these methods allow Odoo to calculate costs dynamically based on your inventory value. And one important thing to keep in mind here is that for consistent valuation, all of your components should also use the same costing method. Mixing different methods across products can lead to inaccurate production costs. Now let's go back and take a look at the bill of materials. Inside the BOM, you will see all the components required to build the product, along with their quantities. Each of these components contributes to the total production cost based on how they are valued in inventory. But components are only part of the story. We also need to define the operations. So if we go to the operations tab, we can set how long each step of the production process takes. And this duration is important because it's used to calculate labor cost based on the hourly rate we set earlier. At the same time, each operation is linked to a work center. And if you open that work center configuration, you'll find a cost per hour, which represents the cost of running that machine or workstation. Things like utilities, maintenance, or general overhead. Now you might also notice another field here called cost per hour per employee. And this is where things get a bit more interesting. This value is used to calculate the estimated cost of a manufacturing order. So when Odoo calculates the expected cost before or during production, it uses this employee cost defined on the work center. However, once the work is actually performed, Odoo calculates the real cost. And that's where the employee's own hourly rate comes into play. So if an employee has a specific hourly cost set in the employees app, Odoo will use that value to calculate the actual cost of the operation. In simple terms, the work center defines the expected cost, while the employee defines the real cost after the work is done. At this point, Odoo knows how much your material costs, how long production takes, how much labor costs per hour, and how much it costs to run your equipment. Now let's see how all of this comes together in a real example. Here I'll create a new manufacturing order. I'll select our product, keep the quantity as one, and confirm the order. To keep things simple and avoid going through the shop floor, I'll just click Produce All. This way, Odoo automatically records the consumed components. And if we check the work order step, we can also see that the real duration has been automatically set to match the expected duration, which in this case is 1 hour. Now, once the production is completed, Odoo automatically calculates the total manufacturing cost. To see the full details, we can open the overview page. Here, Odoo gives us a complete cost breakdown, including components costs, operation costs, and labor costs. At the top, we can see the unit cost, which shows the actual cost to produce one unit based on the real production data. This is really the most important number to watch because it's what you should compare against your sales price to make sure you're still making a profit. You'll also notice the MO cost column, which represents the expected cost of the manufacturing order before production is completed. This is calculated based on the bill of materials, planned operation times, and estimated labor costs. Next to that, we have the real cost, which shows what production actually cost after the work is done. And this is where the label line becomes especially interesting because you'll notice different values in each column. Under MO cost, Odoo uses the estimated employee cost defined on the work center. In this case, $20 per hour. But under real cost, Odoo uses the actual hourly cost assigned to the employee in the employees app, which in this example is $100 per hour. So the planned labor cost was much lower than the real labor cost. That's why Odoo highlights it, and that's also why the final production cost ended up higher than expected. This is a great example of how Odoo helps you identify hidden profitability issues and understand where your real manufacturing costs are coming from. So overall, cost in Odoo is calculated based on your components, your operations, and your labor. And once everything is set up correctly, Odoo does all the heavy lifting for you and gives you accurate, real-time cost tracking. And that's exactly what helps you make better pricing decisions and protect your margins. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.